ऑलिम्पिक पद्धतीचे आंतरराष्ट्रीय रोबोटिक सर्तीत फर्स्ट ग्लोबल चॅलेंज हे सर्तीत भारताचे प्रतिनिधित्व करपा खातीर गोंयचो एक पंगड वेचून काढला। पहिल्या संवसारीक आव्हानात संवसारभरच्यान पंगडाक सर्त करपा खातीर रोबोट तयार करपाक आणि प्रोग्राम करपाक आपयतात। पहिल्या ग्लोबल चॅलेंज 2023 भारताचे प्रतिनिधित्व करपाक 5 विद्यार्थ्यांचो एक पंगड वेचून काढला। पंगडाचे वांगडी अपूर्वा काटकार, अथर्व साखळकार, साई प्रणव गांधी, विराज मराठे आणि व्यंकटेश डेंपो हे सगळे फाटली 6 वर्सां रोबोटिक्साच्या कम्युनिटी क्लबाच्या टीम लेगो गावाचो भाग आसात। संवसारांतल्या तरणाट्यांमदी STEM विशीं समजूत आणि सहकार वाडोवप हो सर्तीचो हेत, कित्याक तर ते संवसारांतले प्रश्न सोडोवपाक आपली ताक वापरतात।
So STEM Education Trust is a partner to run first global India chapter, and every year we select one team from India which goes to this world championship to represent each nation. Just to give you idea, like almost 185 countries participate in this world championship. In world there are around 195 countries, so like 94% of the world participate in this world championship. It is one of the mega level competition which is right now not managed by governments of each country, but one of the private but large championship, and the whole idea is to promote it in a way that tomorrow each country says that we want to run first global as a part of national initiative. Frankly, that is our whole idea. Championship is happening in 7th of October, 7th to 10th October.
How many days?
It is for 3 days. So basically there are qualification rounds there, then there is a world semi-finals, finals.
So I feel really good. It has been 2 weeks since I'm selected, and it's a really good experience actually. My first world championship which is offline, and I'll get the hands-on experience of building a robot and more.
How you see your companions, how you gel with them?
So we conducted some social media meetings with our companions which are other countries. So our competitions, you mean like people who compete with us. So since one team is only selected from each country, so we had a social media meetup challenge with the other countries, and we found out that they have their own strategy. So after the theme is released and the challenge is released, we will come to know more about their strategy too.
How's the teamwork going on between you?
Yeah, so our team is very cooperative. We all know each other a lot. We also had some team bonding sessions, and some of us work on building, some of us work on coding. So like that we balance out everything.
So what message do you want to give them?
So if you have a dream, don't you should keep going on with it and never leave your passion.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, मनीष परब आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।